Welcome back, first timers. This is our final installment of this Costa Rica series. We spent 3 days in La Fortuna where we explored and went on crazy adventures.
Then we went over to Las Catalinas where we relaxed for 3 whole days.
Now we have 3 days in what is known as one of the best surf and party towns in all Costa Rica.
And we are going to party it up the next 3 days.
The drive to Tamarindo from Las Catalinas was only about 45 minutes. It was a very easy, simple drive. And the Airbnb that we're staying at is right off the main road in Tamarindo, but it is up a pretty steep road. It's a mixture of gravel, dirt, a little pavement, and some cobblestone. And while it's a little bit of a treacherous road, the view is completely worth it, and we'll show you that in a minute. There is some parking out front, so if you have a rental vehicle, you can park right out front of the Airbnb. We're staying at Costa Catalinas, which is a beautiful giant house on the hill overlooking the water, and we're actually staying in the casita right out back. And it has an absolutely stunning view. But if you have some mobility issues or issues with stairs, just be cautious. There are a lot of stairs on this property. But the property is so immaculate and beautifully maintained. There's flowers, there's water features, there's 2 pools, multiple lounging decks and chairs and tables where you can take in the sights and the views from this beautiful property. There's everything you could possibly want. But now it's time for Terry to give us a room tour.
When you walk in, you've got this really great seating area, some couches, chairs, and a TV. You also have a beautiful kitchen with an island. It has a stovetop, a full oven, a full-size refrigerator, all the appliances and cooking utensils that you're going to need. It also has a microwave. Over here you have your safe and supplies to make coffee. The main living area has a TV and a dresser for storage. Coming out of the main living area into the bedroom, you'll notice there's no closet, but there are tons of hooks in here to hang up all of your clothes. From the bed, you do have a view out through the windows, but if you would like to close it off, there is a door that you can pull shut. And also in the main living area, if you would like to cover up the windows, though I don't know why you would want to miss out on that beautiful view, they do have automatic curtains. Into the bedroom, you have a big, beautiful king bed with 2 nightstands and 2 lamps. The room is beautifully decorated with a lot of art, a beautiful mirror, and a TV. Okay. Into the bathroom, it is beautiful in here, super clean. You've got tiles that go from floor to ceiling and a great big walk-in shower. It also comes with all the towels and shampoo, conditioner, and body soap that you would need. They also have a curling iron and a hair dryer. And if you need to wash some clothes while you're here, there is a washer and dryer located out in the garage. But the best part about this Airbnb is the amazing view. You have floor-to-ceiling windows on 2 sides of the living area, looks out over the water. It's an amazing view and great for sunsets. Now let's go outside, take a look at our own pool and our sitting area. This pool is beautiful. Water's crystal clear. It has lights. It has a bubbling fountain feature. You can also turn that off if you'd like it a little bit quiet. But it looks out over the water and again right to a beautiful sunset. Just up some stairs, you have a beautiful sitting area that's on the roof of our casita. It's got chairs, umbrella, table, perfect spot to hang out and relax. Forgot to mention there's also this communal pool at the top of the stairs in addition to our private pool down below. There's also a communal living space that we'll show you next. This place is crazy. There's so much outdoor living space, couches, chairs, tables. There's a bar over here with bar stools, a sink, and a refrigerator. And the view is nuts. You've got a 360-degree view of the area. That's going to do it for the room tour. We're going to get situated because we have an action-packed day ahead of us. But our first stop is going to get pizza at our favorite pizza place in Tamarindo.
So we got to the Backyard, which is our favorite pizza place here in Tamarindo and possibly in El Mundo, but unfortunately they're going to be opening at 1:30, so that's about an hour and a half from now, and we have a lot of things planned, so we're going to come back here later. And so for right now, we're going to head over to our favorite local soda. We've been there before, but we're going back again. They have great food, and we can't wait to get there. We came here last time we were in Tamarindo, and we haven't stopped thinking about it and talking about the food here. Heyo!
What is this?
We're back.
No way. No way.
Yeah.
How are you?
Oh, there you are.
Right there.
Banjo, how are you?
First timers. Guys, well, what a surprise. I wouldn't expect that, but here you go. Thank you for coming back, and, you know, always happy to have you here. What a surprise. Enjoy your food, please.
So hungry and so excited to be here. I already started digging in. I got the shredded beef, the yellow rice, salad, pico de gallo, black beans, and potatoes.
I got a little wild, went with a tuna salad, a pork chop, onions, rice, beans, vegetables. The food is even better than I remember. That pork chop is delicious. The tuna salad, which I don't usually like tuna salad, is so good. The last time we were here, we did a full review of everything we ate here at the Soda. So check that video out right here, because it's been about 1.5 years since we've been here, and the food is just as good, maybe even better than last time.
The beef is delicious. I tried David's pork, but I think I like the beef better.
Coming back here is like coming to see family. We love this place. The food is always great. It's always fresh. It's affordable. And it's right here in Tamarindo, close to the beach. So after surfing or partying or just because you're hungry, this is a spot to come to. Make sure you say hi to Eric. Make sure you say hi to Banjo and let them know that the first timer sent you.
Came down to Tamarindo Beach to horse around a little bit. We're going to go ride some horses on the beach. There is public parking right in front of the beach, but it will cost you $6 US per hour.
We were going to be riding as the sun set, but because we have a huge party that we got to get to in just a little bit, we moved it up an hour. So it is still pretty warm, but the clouds are kind of helping, and the breeze is awesome. Neither Terry nor I have much horse experience. Once you get down the beach and away from the crowds, it is so much more calming and relaxing and really beautiful. I hope you can hear me. It's super windy right now. We booked our tour through Viator, and our guide Geronimo has been training horses and doing these tours for 4 years. He did mention that they only work on reservations, whereas some of the other tours, they kind of run the horses all day long. So he did mention some of those aren't the healthiest or the strongest, but when you book through them, they do have healthier, stronger horses, and they feed them a lot more. So that's a huge plus. But these horses definitely are a lot bigger and stronger than some of the other ones we were seeing. We just took a little side quest off the beach, and now we are looking at howler monkeys. Besides horseback riding, there's all kinds of activities you can do here. You can rent chairs, you can get massages, you can listen to music, get food and drinks, all right here on the beach. And of course, you can rent surfboards and take surf lessons, which we're gonna do a little bit later in this trip. If you want to take a horse ride here in Tamarindo, definitely book with Geronimo. He's the best. He'll get you there safe. You'll see a lot of cool things. But for now, we're gonna grab a bite to eat, get cleaned up, because we have a huge party to go to tonight.
We made it back over to the backyard, and they're open this time. We're super excited. I'm getting the Margarita Reina, which is a margarita pizza, but it also has extra mozzarella on it. And then David's getting the prosciutto pizza. If you're not in the mood for pizza, they also have baked goods, sandwiches, and hamburgers.
We're heading down the hill, and we're going to Dream Sea Surf Camp. It's going to be an all-night rave. This party goes until 2 a.m. and then the after party starts at 3 and goes till sunrise. I don't think we're going to end up at the after party. We still got to be somewhat responsible. We're going to leave this camera behind, so we'll be using our cell phone, so hopefully you can hear us. If not, we'll drop some clips in and you'll get to experience it along with us. And now it's time for a fit check.
I'm going a little casual tonight. I've got some jean shorts on and this crop top that I picked up in La Fortuna. And then underneath, I've got a leopard bathing suit, just in case I want to get in the pool.
And I'm going David Standard. Duvin shirt, Duvin shorts, high socks, and a camo hat, because we're going to be in the jungle.
It's 4 a.m., somebody in my bed. I'm staring at the dancing lights. Something still ain't right. Wild nights, we be catching good vibes. Getting faded out my mind. I'm craving more from this life.
I'm on the edge, I know, but it's all I know, baby, it's all I know. Baby, give me your hands, I'ma pull you in close, I'ma take you down low. I'm invested, oh, baby girl, I do the best I know, cause I want you. I don't wanna stress you, no, baby girl, I wanna bless you, oh, and you know it's true. She ain't worried about no diamonds, baby, your love is so timeless. Overseas on an island 4 a.m. but we don't care what the time is.
Somebody in my bed, I'm staring at the dancing lights. Something still ain't right. Wild nights, we be catching good vibes, getting faded
Good morning, first timers. Well, actually, good afternoon, first timers. We ended up sleeping in quite a bit later than we anticipated after last night. We had a wild time at the Aphrodite music event. It was wild and it did not disappoint. We danced the night away. We had some drinks. They were pretty pricey, so just be prepared for that. But now it's time to get up. We spent most of the day sitting out by the pool. Terry tanned a little bit. I got in the pool. But now we're gonna head down the hill and we're gonna check out some shops, restaurants, and bars along the main strip in Tamarindo that we didn't go to in our last stay here. But tonight we have another wild party in Tamarindo. We heard about a bar crawl that happens every Friday night here in Tamarindo. We looked at some of the reviews and the most negative reviews were all about how it was too crazy, too wild, too loud. It was less of a bar crawl and more of a night-long clubbing and party situation. And so if those are the worst reviews, we couldn't wait to sign up, and we're gonna party the night away one more time. So we're down in Tamarindo, and this is about the start of the main drag that'll go all the way through town. The road is lined with bars, restaurants, surf instruction. Just know when you come down here, parking is a little difficult. There are some areas where you can pay for parking. There are some spots on the road that you can kind of just pull off and park for free.
There's all kind of shops down here. They have souvenirs, beach towels, hats, shot glasses, clothes. Anything that you're looking for, you can probably find down here.
We went hardcore tourist mode. We got some cool souvenirs. We got a bag to carry our cool souvenirs. I got my whistle now. And we're gonna keep walking down the street just a little bit more before we head back. There's also a nice area here of little boutique shops. It's a little bit higher end, a little bit more luxury. There are all kinds of restaurants down here. There's Italian, there's steak restaurants, there's definitely a lot of seafood places. So even if you don't want local Costa Rican fare, there is something here for everyone. There's even sushi. And if you want to try your hand at a game of chance or skill, there is a casino right here in downtown Tamarindo.
They even have stores designed just for me. We're headed down to the center of Tamarindo where the bar crawl is going to start at a bar named Chiquita's. We're not bringing the camera, but we will use our phone to film while we're out. It's my fit. Letting my sunburnt abs air out a little bit. David, as usual, is looking sort of like a cartoon character, all decked out in Duvin. Give us a spin. We got all checked in. We're getting our first drink. It just hit 9:30. They put 1 hour on the clock, so that means we have 1 hour at the store before we head off to our next stop.
The way your body move, it got me stuck in designer shoes. Tell me what you need, little baby, tell me what to do. I come in, hey, you got my head hurt. Late night, straight vibes, got your legs work. You on my mind at the 5, I can get it, no. Tryna touch your body, baby, let me heat it up. Body on body, I'm tryna make you mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Body on body, I'm tryna make you mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. You so perfect, I've been learning, you deserve it. Turn your pages to your but look, baby, this is urgent. Body on body, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't never seen nobody like your body, and I never tell nobody about it. I promise, girl, I keep it quiet. I'm so solid, I be moving through the city with my brothers, they be wildin'. I be coming home tired, I been work all day. I be coming home tired, I been work all day. The way your body move, it got me stuck in designer shoes. Tell me what you need, little baby, tell me what to do. I come in, hey, you got my head hurt. Late nights, great vibes, got your legs work. Body on body, I'm tryna make you mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Body on body, I'm tryna make you mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. You so perfect, I've been learning, you deserve it. Turn your pages to your but look, baby, this is urgent. Body on body, I'm tryna make you mine. Tryna make you mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tryna make you mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tryna make you mine.
Good morning, first timers. We are up bright and early after a crazy party night. That bar crawl was absolutely insane and it lived up to the hype. We bounced around at 4 different bars in Tamarindo, made all kinds of new friends, had an absolutely wild time. But the real star of the show happened to be this hat right here. People went nuts for it. The I'm drunk hat It's a winner. I don't pull it out that often because I like it for special occasions, and last night was the perfect occasion for it. But if you want to get one like this, I'll leave a link in the description below. There's all kinds of different colors, and the hat's put out by one of our favorite local up-and-coming artists, Chandler. He's coming out of Northwest Florida, right out of 30A, and he puts out absolute banger songs and amazing hats. We got up a little bit earlier than we wanted to, but it's our last full day in Tamarindo, and we're heading down to the beach because I'm taking a surf lesson. We made it down to the beach. It is lively down here, but we found our surf school. It's called Surf Safe, which makes me feel pretty safe. I've never really surfed, but the waves look great, and there's a lot of people riding them, so I hope I can be one of them because I'm not confident that I'm going to stand up. Terry's not going to participate because she can't swim, so she'll be sitting on the beach watching as I make a fool of myself. My instructor today is Junior. He's been surfing his whole life. He looks like a real professional.
Hi guys, my name is Junior. Nice to meet you.
I forgot my rash guard at the Airbnb, so I had to go buy one. They're really expensive here. They have them, and I didn't realize I should have just used one of theirs. Bought one, they're 60 bucks. Would recommend bringing one or just using theirs, but we're down at the beach now, and it's time to start. I'm gonna just hand the camera over to Terry, and I'm gonna get some lessons.
Better catch me a break, better ride me a brand new wave. New vibe, new look, new ways. Big view, same food, new place. Show me how you live it. I let you make all the decisions. Ice cold water with a little bit of lemon. Hope you let me inside if I wanna go swimming. I'm golden. I'm golden tonight. And I'm like, I'm golden. I'm golden tonight. Now I'm right back in it, right at it, baby, let me go swimming. Feel good inside, lately I've been having my way. Jumping a ride, now we cruising down the highway. Show me how you live it. I let you make all the decisions. Ice cold water with a little bit of lemon. Hope you let me inside if I wanna go swimming. I'm golden. I'm golden tonight. And I'm like, I'm golden. I'm golden tonight.
That was so much more fun than I ever thought it was going to be. I didn't think I was going to get up at all, but Junior right here got me up on the second try. He's a wizard.
Thank you so much. Come here in Tamarindo. It's perfect for beginners, practice surf. Thank you so much. Thank you, David.
Book with Surf Safe.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Surf Safe. Ask for Junior.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, thank you. So this is going to end our time here in Tamarindo. We had an amazingly magical time.
Tamarindo definitely is a party town, and we definitely partook in the party.
But if you don't like partying, check out this video over here where we did all kinds of adventures in La Fortuna, or this video right here where we relaxed in Las Catalinas, Costa Rica. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.